More breaking news now coming in. The EOU and SIT raids in the NEET case have now intensified. As per sources, more arrests can be made in this case by tonight itself. Ayush Sharma is joining us for more details on this story. Ayush, more arrests are likely in the NEET scam investigation. What are your sources telling you?
Well, yes, amid the NEET exam controversies, opposition all-out attack on centre amid nationwide NEET protests, the Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan has said that there is no evidence of paper leak. The claims of corruption in the NTA are still unfounded. Meanwhile, the opposition leaders have targeted the centre government over the massive row surrounding the NEET exam, and that has triggered protests by aspirants all across the country. The DMK, which has been opposing NEET ever since it was introduced, has slammed the NTA for destroying the exam sanctity and said that centre was nothing more than a spectator and backing coaching centres.
Be made in this case by tonight itself, Ayush, is that correct? Ayush, could more arrests be made tonight? Ayush, if you're able to hear me, could more arrests be made by tonight?
Well, yes, so the EOU and SIT raids in the NEET case have now intensified. More and more raids are going on all across the country. And as per sources, more arrests can be made in this case by tonight. The EOU and the SIT is all set to arrest all those who are involved in this alleged paper leak of NEET 2024 exam. Over to you.
All right, appreciate you joining us with those details. Meanwhile, Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan has reacted to the latest developments playing out in the NEET controversy.
इस संबंध में दो प्रकार की अव्यवस्था की विषय सामने आई है। प्रारंभिक जानकारी ये तो आई थी कुछ छात्रों को कम समय मिलने के कारण उनके वहाँ थोड़ा रोष थी, उनको कुछ वैकल्पिक ग्रेस मार्क की व्यवस्था दिया गया था, जिसको भी इस बीच में सरकार ने नामंजूर करके सुप्रीम कोर्ट की आदेश अनुसार 1563 बच्चों की पुनः परीक्षा की आदेश दे दिया है सुप्रीम कोर्ट की सुझाव पे। दूसरा, दो जगह पे कुछ गड़बड़ियों की भी ध्यान आई है। मैं छात्रों को और अभिभावकों को आश्वस्त करता हूँ, उसको भी सरकार बड़े गंभीरता के साथ लिया है। वो जानकारी हमको मिली है, हम वो सारा विषय को एक निर्णायक स्थिति तक ले जाएंगे। उसमें कोई भी बड़े अधिकारी हो, एनटीए की कितने भी बड़े दायित्वधारी हो, अगर वो उनमें गुनहगार पाए जाएंगे उनको भी छोड़ा नहीं जाएगा। और एनटीए में बहुत सुधार की आवश्यकता है। कुछ विषय एनटीए एक स्वायत्त संस्था था, लेकिन एनटीए की बारे में सुधारने की बहुत आवश्यकता है। सरकार उसके ऊपर भी चिंता कर रही है, लेकिन मैं फिर आश्वस्त करता हूं, किसी को कोई भी गुनहगार को छोड़ा नहीं जाएगा, उनको कठोर से कठोर दंड मिलेगा।
Ayush Sharma is joining us for more details on this story. Ayush, amidst the controversy, Education Minister issuing a statement. What has he said?
Well, yes, so that the Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan has issued a statement regarding the latest developments in the NEET case and has outlined the measures the government is taking in response. And according to Pradhan, the government is committed to ensuring transparency, fairness and the efficiency in NEET examination process. Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan emphasized that the Ministry of Education is actively addressing concerns raised by students, parents and educators about the recent issue related to the NEET exam 2024, and these concerns include allegations of irregularities, technical glitches and the overall conduct of the exam. And in response, the government is implementing several key measures aimed at enhancing the integrity and smooth functioning of NEET. Firstly, the government is strengthening the security protocols around the examination to prevent malpractices and ensure a level playing field for all candidates. And secondly, Dharmendra Pradhan, the Education Minister, mentioned that a dedicated grievance redressal mechanism is being put in place to promptly address any complaints or issues faced by the candidates. Third, and the most important, he is saying that highlighting the efforts to improve the logistical aspects of the examination process, and this includes better coordination with the state governments and local authorities to facilitate the smooth conduct of the exam, especially in the remote and rural areas.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.